to fix WhatsApp desktop app not opening on Windows 10. And if you've been staring at a blank screen or endless loading, you're not alone. Many people face this because of outdated app files, Windows updates, or background conflicts that block WhatsApp from starting. Most guides online make it super complicated with long commands or confusing steps that waste your time. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that works instantly. All you need to do is reset the app cache and restart it, and it usually opens without any errors. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below and I'll make it just for you.